Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Comfort. Join me as I make this delicious fried potato greens or sweet potato leaves. I had some dry fish and boiling for over 20 minutes because of the toughness. I also have my beef and chicken seasoning, and after 20 minutes I put in my seasoned beef and chicken so that they will cook together. So I added my beef into my pot. I added some blended ginger, garlic, and pepper, and I sliced in some onions. I also added one Maggi cube, and I close the pot so that it will cook before I stir. And then after 5 minutes I check on it. It was cooking very well, and then I mix after mixing I close it so that it will continue cooking before adding some water. So the meat and the fish cook for like 10 minutes, and I added 1 cup of water so that it will cook very well, and then I close it. After 10 minutes I check on it, but the fluid was still more because this is the fluid I'm going to use to cook the soup, and I don't need more fluid. It's vegetable, guys, so I don't want to cook it for too long. So I cover it and let it to cook for additional 10 minutes. And after that 10 minutes, the fluid was enough to cook the vegetable. So I remove the meat from the pot and also the fluid. Here I put in my pot and added my oil. This is my meat, this is how it look. And then I added 1 cup of oil and just a little bit. It's not half, but a little bit. I don't need more oil into this soup. And then I added some quick soda to soften the greens more. And then I added my potato leaves that I removed from my freezer. Yes, guys. And I mix into the oil and allow it to fry before adding in my pepper. So I close the pot so that it will fry for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I check on it, and it was frying very well. So I stir, and it was now time to put in my pepper. So I put in my blended pepper and onions, and then I put in my seasoning, which is bouillon seasoning, 1 Maggi cube, black pepper, and white pepper. I mix it well. The soup looks small, but it's not small, guys. The pot I'm using is wide. Though it's not that much, but it's not also small. I hope I'm making sense. Yes, so after mixing, I close the pot so that it will fry a little bit before adding in my meat. But I had to add some fewer leaf. I nearly forget to add this, guys. This just took this soup to another level. I have some fewer leaves that I've already washed, blended them, and kept in my fridge. So whenever I need it, I just take it off and add to my pot. Here is it. I'm adding this fewer leaf. I mix with it, mix it very well. The aroma now in this kitchen is heavenly. I mix it well, and then after mixing, I added my meat and my meat stock. And my meat stock is just half a cup. Yes, at this point the soup is already cooked, but I just need to add a little stock because of those cube that I just put in the pepper. But the greens itself has fried enough. And then I added my meat also. That's why I was able to boil this meat very well, because there won't be long time into this soup. And then we call it a deal. So even the meat is already cooked. So I introduce the meat into my soup. I mix it. I mix it very well. And then I tasted it so that I will adjust if I need to. But this was good, very good, nice, delicious. And then I added my fish that I grill in the air fryer and mix it. Yes, this dish is power pack with meat. Yes guys, I added in my fish, I mix well, and then I close it and just allow it to steam up for like 5 to 10 minutes.
Comfort in the kitchen, where stories unfold, mixing recipes with heart, flavors pure and bold. From sunrise to moonlight, she weaves a tale. With every spice she adds, will never fail. Comfort tastes of her tales. Every meal she cooks, her passion prevails. Through the rhythm of life, she's set in the trails, bringing joy to each plate. Her love never pales. Afro beats drum as the flavors collide. Jola pop bubbling with pride inside. Pancakes in the morning, stews for the night. She shares her creations, making everything bright. Whisk it up, saute and dance. Life's like cooking, take a chance. Season it bold, plate it with flair. Comfort's taste and tales beyond compare. Comfort tastes, comfort tales. Every meal she cooks, her passion prevails. Through the rhythm of life, she's set in the trails, bringing joy to each plate. Her love never pales.
Guys, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.
Every meal she cooks, her passion prevails.